There are data wizards ready to unlock some magic with ProcSQL today. Welcome back to a game-changing section where we transform a code into insights. Ever wondered how SQL can do more than just fetch a data? Let me show you some hidden powers of ProcSQL. Today we are diving into SQL tricks that will make your data sing. The where clause is not just a filter, it's a tool for precision. What to make your SQL code run smoother? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will be a master of this proc SQL clauses. Drop a command if you have ever used these clauses and let's discuss how they have boosted your projects. What if I told you mastering this next class can cut your query time in half with just a few lines of code? You will unlock a world of data insights. Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped you level up your ProcSQL skills, hit the like button and subscribe for more data driven content. Join me next time as we explore even more advanced tips to turn your data into actionable insights. Okay, let's move on the programming procedure. Again, we are clicking this icon to open a new program, or else we can click in the keyboard like F4. The new program will be created for us. In this, I'm going to write a proc SQL and then a select clause which selects all the columns in the table. For I given an asterisk symbol, and then form clause to read a source table, that is an input table. I give again an SQ customer table to read my source table, and then I'm giving a where clause. Where clause is not a filter tool. It's also used for data in insights to a report. I'm giving a state equal to, in SAS the character could use the double quotated, but in SQL we can use a single quotation like this. I'm using an NC state to be filtered, and then every select statement ends with a semicolon, and the select statement contains various clauses like from, where, order by, group by, having, etc, etc. And then I will give the quit because every proc SQL ends with a quit statement, and then while I'm running the program it takes a few minutes to run. We will wait for a few minutes. The where clause must come after the select clause and the from clause. This is the order of the proc SQL while using the SAS in this procedure. See, the state is only comes under the NC. See, says state or only comes under the NC table. While using the where expression, we can use a character and numeric condition to be expressed. While using the numeric, we should not use like quotated values. Only the character values could be quotated. Like you should not in the NC we used that quotated value. I'm using the income. In the output table there is an income column. I see here. There is no table having the income. I shall give to there is a column in the customer, that is income. I'm giving a customer is greater than, we use only relational operators in numeric expression. Sorry, less than 30,000. While I'm running this code, the source table customer will be filtered with the income less than 330,000, not NC state. While using the where comparison operators, the numeric values are not enclosed in quotation mark and must be standard numeric values. You cannot include special symbols like commas or dollar signs in the numeric. A character value must be enclosed in single or double quotation marks. Double quotation marks makes a SAS enhancement for character strings. I already said this point, that are typically not allowed in DBMS. Because there is so much of rows in this table, the running process is taking too long time. In the previous video, we have used the number option in the proc SQL. In the form class, we use the OBS statement to reduce the number of rows read from the source table. I shall give only 10 rows to read from. The OBS stands for observation or a record or a row, a tuple, etc. etc. Sorry, my libreoffice SQ is not assigned. So what, I'm running my libname statement. So what, my library is assigned to that SQ library. So what, the customer table also assigned. And then while I'm running the program, I will get a report with the 10 rows with the income is less than 30,000. There are also an combining expression in operator in var clause and special var operators missing values. We will see those things in the next video. If you like this video, please put me in comment how you are understand my points, and then I will investigate some things more to you with use of those commands. See here, only the income. Sorry, I want to scroll here. Where is the income column? And there is no income less than 30,000. So I'm giving a greater than symbol. So what, I will collect my reports in greater than 30,000. See here, greater than 30,000, there are 10 rows. I have requested the SAS to give me the report. But using the SAS plus SQL gives you an insights while working with project. So the best software we can suggest for and useful thing is SAS to predict the outcomes very quickly and give us an understandable report. In this SAS, we are using the proc SQL enhancement, that is SQL language. So what, we are getting the report and ready in hand. Okay, I'm ending up this section and then thanks for watching. Thank you.